Israel, a land of miracles, mystery, and secrets buried deep beneath the sand. You've heard of the wars, the prophets, and the conflict, but today we're going far deeper, from ancient teleportation texts to secret agents disguised as tourists. These are 10 mind-blowing historical facts about Israel that most people have never heard. Stick around, fact number 1 will make you question everything you learned in history class. Fact number 10. There's a city older than the pyramids. Most people think Egypt holds the oldest civilizations. But did you know that Jericho in modern-day Israel is over 11,000 years old? That's older than the pyramids, Stonehenge even written language. Archaeologists found stone walls and defensive towers from the pre-pottery Neolithic age. Think about it, a city older than history itself. And most people don't even know it exists. Fact number 9, Israel had a doomsday bunker for the government built under a mountain. In the 1950s, during rising global tensions, Israel built a top-secret nuclear-proof command center deep inside a mountain, Mount Carmel. It was designed to protect leaders in case of full-scale nuclear war. The public didn't even hear about it until decades later, and some say parts are still in use today. Fact number 8, Mossad's most audacious mission was a fake beach resort. In the 1980s, Israeli intelligence agency Mossad ran a luxury beach resort in Sudan, not for tourists but to smuggle Ethiopian Jews to Israel. The operation was so real that it got 5-star reviews. Guests had no idea they were sitting above one of the most daring rescue missions in history. Fact number 7. The Dead Sea Scrolls may contain a map to hidden treasure. Among the ancient Dead Sea Scrolls found in caves near Qumran, one stands out: the mysterious copper scroll. Unlike others, it doesn't talk about religion. It lists 63 hidden treasure locations, gold, silver, and sacred artifacts from the Second Temple era. Many believe the treasure is still buried somewhere in modern-day Israel, waiting to be found. Fact number 6. Einstein was offered the presidency of Israel. In 1952, after the death of Israel's first president, Albert Einstein was officially offered the presidency of Israel. He respectfully declined, saying, "I lack both the natural aptitude and the experience to deal properly with people." Imagine a nation led by the man who unlocked the secrets of the universe. Fact number 5, a language was resurrected from the dead. Hebrew was once considered a dead language, used only in religious rituals. But in the late 1800s, one man, Eliezer ben Yehuda, made it his mission to revive it as a spoken language. Today, Hebrew is spoken by over 9 million people. It's the only case in human history where a language was successfully revived for everyday use. Fact number 4. Israel invented the world's first drone army decades before it became mainstream. Way back in the 1980s, Israel developed and deployed the first military drones for real-time battlefield surveillance. Today, every major military uses drones, but Israel was quietly leading the game long before the rest of the world caught up. Fact number 3, they built forests in the desert. Israel is the only country in the world to enter the 21st century with more trees than it had in 1900. They turned barren land into forests using pioneering irrigation and reforestation techniques, some of which are now used globally. Fact number 2, biblical sites are still being discovered today. In 2021, archaeologists uncovered ruins that many believe belong to the biblical city of Ziklag, where David hid from King Saul. These are real locations confirming what many thought was just myth. What else lies beneath the Israeli soil? Fact number 1, a secret cave was found full of 2,000-year-old skulls and notes to God. Deep in the Judean desert, a hidden cave was found in 2017. Inside were human skulls, ancient coins, and hundreds of personal letters to God, written in multiple languages. Some beg for love, others beg for revenge. Archaeologists say the cave was a spiritual escape during times of war, a literal mailbox to the divine, untouched for millennia. History isn't just about battles and dates. It's a puzzle, a map, a legacy. And Israel, for all its controversies and complexities, holds pieces of humanity's deepest mysteries. If these facts shook your understanding of the past, imagine what we still haven't found yet. If you learned something new. Subscribe for more forgotten histories and global secrets.